And that's the end of the game. Score is 14-21. The winner is Team Pinoy R.
A few moments later.
Napalit ko yung canopy. Sa sobrang lakas ng hangin, yung canopy ay natumba. Nice. Buti na lang yung mga player ay nakatakbo. Kung hindi, sila ay natamaan sana ng congratulations. Thank you po.